So we need to choose where we get the files, right? So usually I keep these things in the desktop so that I could have a very little, address over here. So what we need to do, I will try to find out the document that I am interested in. Okay, so this is the drywall folder that I made. And what I will do, I will just select this, right? So in this folder, there are a lot of things, right? So when I select this folder, so everything will be, selected automatically. So you can just minimize this by here and you just need next, right? So once you set next, then here it is something important, DPI for TIF files. So keep it like the same. And here we need 256 color because we want to see our drawing in color shape, right? So the next, if you want to attach any file, there is your Excel file or anything, you can feel free to attach. So you can import any Excel file if you need. But in our case, we are not going to use it. So next, and then we will finish it. So once we will finish, it start uploading all the files to the PlanSwift. Right.